Sloka 28. Lord Krishna says, some offer their wealth as sacrifice, while others offer severe austerities as sacrifice. Some practice of eightfold path of yogic practices, and yet others study the scriptures and cultivate knowledge as sacrifice while observing strict vows. So, there are different ways by which karma yogis perform their activities, perform their duties. That is what explained in this sloka by Lord Krishna. We human beings, we are different in our natures, motivation, activities, professions, and aspirations. So, what happens? We choose different paths. Though our final destination is the same, but we choose different paths as per our capacity, because it should suit our nature. And here Lord Krishna says how one does it: by offering austerities, one by visiting the temples, one by doing yoga, one by offering his wealth. So Krishna tells Arjuna, sacrifices take on hundreds of forms. There are varieties of forms through which we do sacrifices, but all are dedicated to God. Every soul is dedicated to God. So dedication is very important, and the devotion to God. So that is the fundamental. And when they do this, their mind and body become pure. And how does the body become pure? They keep themselves away from the senses. The senses are kept away from material world, and they have that devotion. Through devotion, they realize the Atma. And they realizing Atma by these various techniques they apply. And there are three yajnas mentioned in this sloka. Dravya yajna. Dravya yajna is earning and spending that. It can be material or it can be money. Spending for charity. What I earn, I am spending for charity. To spend on charity, I am earning. So it can be that way also. So that is what Dravya yajna. So I give it. I'm doing this as a sacrifice. And there is study of scripture, which is called Swadhyaya Yajna. I gain knowledge by reading all the scriptures. Then apply that knowledge in doing my karma. So this is one type. Then other thing, I visit many temples. So it's a pilgrimage. So I visit there and I gain knowledge about those places, sanctity of those places, and the leelas of God. So that is one way of doing my karma. So I am doing my duty by visiting the deities at various places which have got the importance. That may be a Divya Desam or related to Puranas, Itikasas. So that is a kind of sacrifice. So it is doing dana. What we said, the first one, dravya, that is dana, then tavam, yoga. I do different types of yoga and sacrifice that. So yoga yajna. So yoga yajna, what do I do? I follow. There are 6 philosophies we have in our country. So each one can follow whatever they like, whatever they feel, that is for them to follow. So Veda Vyas, he showed us Vedant Darshan. Then if you take Patanjali, Ashtanga Yoga. Kapila Rishi, then Sankhya Yoga. So we have got all this. So for spiritual advancement, we can use either of these physical techniques. So that is sacrifice. So what do we do with that? We conquer our mind. How do we conquer my mind? By keeping all material desires away from that. The mind is focused mind. It becomes focused on God. We surrender ourselves to God. And it becomes pure and it becomes focused. With the focused mind, I do all this yogas. And I think of God and do it.